Everyone is in a race to get views, but very few people focus on teaching the right way. Most courses spend hours discussing things that are not directly related to the topic, making it difficult for beginners to learn efficiently. In this course, we will focus only on what truly matters. Every topic is explained step by step with practical examples, and every minute is designed to add value to your learning journey. Whether you are completely new to Salesforce development or looking to strengthen your fundamentals, this course will help you understand the concepts clearly and build a strong foundation. So, let's get started and begin your Salesforce development journey. Topic 1. What is Salesforce Development? Introduction. Salesforce is the world's leading cloud-based CRM, customer relationship management, platform. Companies use Salesforce to manage customers, sales, marketing, service, and business processes. Salesforce development means customizing and extending Salesforce using programming and automation tools. Real-life example. Imagine a company receives thousands of customer inquiries every day. Without Salesforce, data is stored in Excel files, manual follow-ups, difficult reporting. With Salesforce, customer data is stored centrally. Automated emails, automatic task creation, dashboards, and reports. A Salesforce developer builds these custom solutions. Topic 2. Overview of Salesforce Development course. What you will learn. Salesforce Fundamentals, CRM Concepts, Salesforce Architecture, Standard Objects, Custom Objects, Administration, Users, Profiles, Permission Sets, Security, Development, Apex Programming, Triggers, SOCL, SOCL, Batch Apex, Front-End Development, Lightning Web Components, LWC, Aura Components, Integration, REST APIs, SOAP APIs, External Systems, Deployment, Change Sets, Salesforce DX, GTD. Topic 3. Prerequisites for Salesforce Development. Technical prerequisites. No programming experience is mandatory. However, basic knowledge helps. Recommended skills. Basic programming concepts. Variables, loops, conditions, functions, database concepts. No, tables, records, columns. Salesforce stores data similarly. Basic web knowledge. Understanding, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Helpful for Lightning Web Components. Topic 4. Outcome of Salesforce Development course. After completing the course, you should be able to build applications. Example, leave management system, inventory system, school management system, create automation. Example, when an opportunity is closed, send email, create task, update record, develop Lightning components, create buttons, forms, dashboards, integrate external systems. Example, payment gateway, ERP system, HR software. Topic 5. What is Apex? Definition. Apex is Salesforce's programming language. It is strongly typed and object-oriented. Very similar to Java. Why Apex was created. Salesforce standard features cannot solve every business requirement. Apex allows developers to create custom business logic. Topic 6. When to use Apex. Use Apex when Salesforce automation tools are not enough. Example 1. Complex validation. Requirement. Customer age must be above 18. Country equals Pakistan. Account type equals premium. Complex logic can be written using Apex. Example 2. External API integration. Need data from payment gateway, shipping company, ERP system. Use Apex callouts. Example 3. Bulk data processing. Need to update 50,000 records. Use Batch Apex, Queuable Apex. Example 4. Custom business logic. When opportunity closes, create invoice, send email, update account, notify finance team. Apex can handle all these actions. Topic 7. Features not supported by Apex. Apex is powerful but has limitations. Cannot directly access file system. Not allowed. Reason. Salesforce is cloud-based. Cannot create threads. Java supports multithreading. Apex does not. Instead use. Batch Apex. Queuable Apex. Future methods. Cannot access operating system. Apex cannot. Shut down computer. Read local folders. Access local drives. Limited CPU and memory. Salesforce enforces governor limits. Example. Cannot process unlimited records in a single transaction.
Topic 8. Apex basique.
Structure of Apex. Variables. String name equals Ali. Conditions. If name is equal to Ali, print welcome. Loops. Hashtag loops in Apex. A loop is used when we want to execute the same piece of code multiple times without writing it again and again. Let's look at this example. In this code, we first create a variable named I and assign it the value 1. The condition I less than or equal to 5 tells the loop to continue running as long as the value of I is not greater than 5. After every iteration, the value of I is increased by 1. As a result, this loop will print the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once I become 6, the condition is no longer true, and the loop stops executing. Real-life example. Imagine you are taking attendance for 5 students. Instead of writing the same code 5 times, you can use a loop to perform the task repeatedly. Loops save time, reduce code duplication, and make programs easier to maintain. Classes in Apex. A class is a blueprint or template used to create objects and organize related code together. Let's look at this example. Public class student. Here, student is the name of the class. Currently, the class is empty, but later we can add variables, methods, and business logic inside it. Think of a class as the blueprint of a house. The blueprint defines how the house should look, but the actual house is built from that blueprint. Similarly, a class defines the structure and behavior that objects can have. Methods in Apex. A method is a block of code that performs a specific task. Let's look at this example. Public static void display. System.debug. Hello. In this code, the method name is display. Whenever this method is called, it will print the word hello in the debug log. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we can place it inside a method and call the method whenever needed. Real-life example. Imagine you have a button on a mobile application that sends a welcome message. Rather than writing the message logic everywhere, you can create a method once and reuse it whenever the button is clicked. Methods make code cleaner, easier to maintain, and more reusable.
Topic 9. Apex environnement.
1. Developer Edition. Free Salesforce environment. Best for learning. Use cases. Practice. Development. Learning Apex. 2. Sandbox. Copy of production org. Types. Developer Sandbox. Small amount of data.
Developer Pro Sandbox.
More storage. Partial sandbox. Some production data. Full sandbox. Complete production copy. 3. Production org. Live environment. Used by real users. Any mistake can impact business operations. Topic 10. Tools used for Apex development. 1. Developer console. Built inside Salesforce. Features. Write Apex. Execute code. Debug logs. 2. Visual Studio Code. Most popular tool. Benefits. Faster coding. Extensions. Git integration. Salesforce DX. Recommended for all developers. Example extensions. Salesforce Extension Pack. Apex PMD. 3. Salesforce CLI. Command line tool. Used for deployment, authentication, project creation. For Workbench. Web-based tool. Useful for SQL queries. Metadata. Data export.
Topic 11. Apex variable.
What is a variable? A variable stores data. Example. String name equals Wakar. Here, string equals data type. Name equals variable name. Wakar equals value. Types of variables. String. String city equals Lahore. Integer. Integer age equals 25. Decimal. Decimal salary equals 50,000.50. Boolean. Boolean is active equals true. Date. Date today equals date.today.
Topic 12. Apex constant.
What is a constant? A constant cannot change after assignment. Use keyword. Final. Example. Final integer days in week equals 7. Not allowed. Days in week equals 10. This will cause an error. Real life example. Final decimal tax _rate equals 0.15. Tax rate should remain fixed.